How to check Facebook call log history. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can check your Facebook call log history. Now in order to check your Facebook call log history, you'll need the Messenger app of the latest version. Now head over to your Play Store or Android App Store and make sure Messenger is updated to the latest version of the app, or if you haven't downloaded it, simply download it. Now it's quite easy and simple. So if you open up the app and log into your Facebook account linked Messenger account, here at the bottom of your screen you can find the calls option right there. Now what you want to do is tap on calls, and here you'll be able to see all your calls history. However, this option or this call log option might vary on depending on your reason. Now if you don't get this option, however, what you can do is Messenger stores all your calls on your chats. So if you haven't deleted the chat, what you can do is scroll up above and then search for the chat, and you'll get your call logs there if you have made any contact with the person. So this way you can check Facebook call log history. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.